Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So from the previous video we had like a quick introduction of ourselves, and today we are gonna have a real interview to Bianca. So let's start with the first question. I asked people if they had any curiosity about you on my Instagram, so let's start with their questions. What is better in Brazil than UK?
I mean, I believe in the nature.
Yeah.
And the beach. Oh, I my favorite. Go to Praia do Francês. I used to live in there.
Yeah.
Like in the village. It's like a village. We used to have a posada in there with my parents and my family.
Posada is like a hotel?
It's like an hotel, yeah.
Okay.
And we used to like go all the time, like walk in the street. It wasn't like that. Like it was fun. It was really nice.
Yeah, because usually people think Brazil is really dangerous. It's like impossible to live there.
Depends which parts you go.
Yeah.
Depends which parts you go.
Okay.
But yeah.
And where were you in Brazil?
Alagoas. Maceió.
Okay, Maceió, yes, I heard about it.
Yeah? Okay. It's on the north, in the coast.
Okay. Is it dangerous there or not too much or not at all?
It is dangerous if you go walking in the night alone.
Okay, but something like, it's the same here, I think, or wherever you go.
And there is also robberies, but yeah. I mean, also in Italy it's the same thing.
Yeah, we know in Italy.
Yeah. And also, I'm not here. No, here not much. Here's mostly kids.
Yeah, especially in our area of London, it's really peaceful. So let's go on with the second one. What is better in UK than Brazil? Don't tell me the weather.
No. The weather in Brazil is way better. Not gonna lie. But I do like the cold, so I like anything. Like I like snow.
Okay.
So.
Well, there's no snow in Brazil, right?
No, it doesn't have that. It just rains.
Rain.
Yeah.
I thought that there was always the sun and no.
No. There is like mostly it's sun, but like when it's winter, it's like raining.
Okay.
I do like here. It's nice. It's peaceful. It's most, I don't know. I guess like here there's like a lot of like different places, different like culture.
Yeah.
Like yeah. And also like there's so many options of food because I like food. Okay.
Our food lover.
Yeah. And also maybe like the transportation.
Oh
in
yeah.
there like in Brazil it's always like with car you cannot go without car. I think here you have like so many public transport, which is quite nice. Oh gosh.
Yeah.
The first time I took the public transport, I didn't know any English.
Yeah.
And basically I got lost.
Oh wow.
And my phone was like not working. It was like not out of battery. And
oh
like
my God.
I just knew like yes and no, and I didn't even know like where exactly my school was. So basically I got lost. I was supposed to take like just 30-minute journey,
Yes.
one place to another to my house to school, and it took me like an hour.
Oh God.
Yeah.
What did you do? Did you ask?
Oh
for
no!
people,
Then I
or-
didn't really want to with you school. I went to my house because the only address that I knew was there. So I was like, okay, the only address I know it, and I don't even know like if they're gonna understand me. So I was like, so
Oh
where
my
is this?
God.
Yeah. It was so scary.
Really hard. Yeah.
But it was, how can you go like a 30-minute journey to like 1 hour to like in the end not going to your school to go to like my house.
Yeah.
It was scary. But then now it's okay.
How old were you?
I was 15. It's not even young age, but yeah, 15.
Wow. And so, but people here is really friendly, so
Yeah.
if you have any problems with public transport, they really help you whenever you have any problems.
Yeah, that's true. That's why it's like it's okay. I like it.
Okay, so let's go on with the third question. Fabiola, she wants to know which country you like more between Brazil or UK.
Oh, so
You can tell the truth, okay? Don't be scared about the truth.
I don't have really. I don't. I like both really.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, here in London, I have so much more opportunity than in Brazil. But in Brazil, my friends are in there, and also like I like the place. It's like more nature, and I miss it a lot. It's been like 5 years that I don't came back, and I went there yet. And I live here, but right now I can't because of the virus. But yeah.
God.
Yeah, but yeah, and here also like what I'm doing now. You know that I'm doing filmmaking.
Mm-hmm.
I think here I have more opportunity than in Brazil.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
For sure.
so.
She will be very famous.
Oh, no. No, I don't know. I hope so.
Yeah, in the future you can watch her films at the cinema, so follow her, guys. So next one, America. She wants to know where would you like to live in the future? Da-da-da-dum.
It depends on the opportunities I have. Really, I don't really have a favorite place where I want to go.
Mm-hmm.
So it depends, like where, like if I have another like opportunity, like you know that I'm doing filmmaking stuff. Like if I have opportunities to go, I don't know, to Korea or to go to Brazil, film something, or to go to Italy and film something, that I would definitely go. Like why not? I like moving. I like traveling, and I like going to different places. So yeah.
Very well.
Yeah.
So next one, Evelyn. She wants to know why did you move to UK?
I didn't have an option to move to UK, really. My sister wanted to do university here, so we all decided, why not move out together? And I'm like, yeah, so we moved together.
Yeah.
And then, yeah. And then, like, I just continued school, and then it kind of, if I didn't move here,
Yeah.
I wouldn't really do film. So I kind of got inspired here, so I did.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So thanks, Margarita, for your decision to move here.
Yeah,
Great family idea. Melissa, she wants to know, did you speak English before your arriving in UK?
No.
No?
No.
Zero English?
No, I really did not know English. I knew yes, no. What? I got said.
Oh, well.
Yeah. When we moved to here,
Yeah?
I went to a universal school. Universal school?
International?
International, sorry, universal. Oh my god. International school.
Yeah?
So there was one like, okay, I kind of refused the first year, like speaking English, because like there was so many Italians in there. Yeah, so my family is Italian, and like I always like listen to Italian, except speaking. So that was when I learned Italian, like speaking.
Yeah.
So yeah, and then
That's
I was like,
quite strange because your parents are Italians, but you have learned Italian just when you arrived here.
I never went to school really, Italian school. I just heard like them speaking.
Okay.
And I usually like they speak me in Italian and I answer Portuguese. Except with my sisters that like they speak Portuguese with me and I speak Portuguese with them.
Okay.
So yeah.
So what's the main language in your family? What's the language all of you speak when you are at home?
We speak both Italian and Portuguese. So as I said, I speak Portuguese with them and they answer in Italian for me.
Very interesting.
So it's like a mix of both together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's go on. What's the biggest difference between Brazil and UK? Ask Brian.
Okay, so quello che hai tagliato.
Questa la mettiamo tutta. So, ok, so...
No, funny.